You want me to off here? You want people to come and so you know nothing happened to him. Nothing happened to him. Go. Nothing happened to my brother,
hey man, raise your hand now. Please now. I'm walking now. I'm walking now. Sorry, man, don't run.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Don't be like that.
Let me please thank the people of this EDA Plaza.
Thank you, sir.
And thank you so much for welcoming us. We are campaigning for a local government election. AMAC Local Government Council election. It might look as if a local government election. Let me assure you, we need to win this election. Our candidate for this election is Dr. Moses Paul. Moses Paul was born and brought up in this. Moses Paul was born and brought up in this AMAC. And this election is important to us. As you know, you can take it to the bank. I am contesting for the president of this country. Go and say I told you. And I'm campaigning for this election. I'm going to campaign this way. I want to make the election local. That's why we are coming to you. We are coming to you to tell you this is the new politics. We have to go to the people in their local areas. When I campaign for elections for presidency, I'm going to go to different states different local governments like I am here today. We want to do politics where we will know, the local people will know that it is change. Look at capital city today. The schools are closed. The hospitals are not working. People are not being built out of poverty. Your businesses are suffering because of bad governance. You cannot travel anywhere. All they do is tax, tax, tax. We must stop all that. That is what we want to stop. That's what we want you to vote for ADC. We want to build a society where a child of nobody can be anybody. We want to build a society where a child of nobody can be anybody. We want to stop people from stealing public money. The problem we have is that people are stealing public money. That's what we want to stop. They don't want to stop it. So please, we are begging for you to vote for ADC. Vote for Moses Paul. He will work. He's one of us. He's a Nigerian who was born here. He's from Benue. He's married to an Igbo woman. His mother is so there's a combination of everything. We need him. It is important to us. Let nobody deceive you. I'm involved with this party. It's a party I'm going to election with. Thank you and God bless you. ADC, ADC, please come out and vote on the 21st of this month. When you vote, you're helping what we are doing. You're helping what we are building. Thank you and God bless you.
When I don't tire, me I get papa oh. Me I get papa oh. Listen, I did business in AMAC for 15 years. There are multiple taxation in AMAC. AMAC does not exist in terms of representation and in terms of leadership and governance. When I don't see AMAC chairman, don't come address now before. Can you give what you don't have? Are we not hungry together? Are we not suffering together? Are they not locking us up together? We never tire. Is a new Nigeria possible? It begins from AMAC. AMAC is the center of the country. The president lives where? Where are the ministers? Where's National Assembly? Where are all the diaspora embassy? How can we allow somebody who don't understand our narrative to rule AMAC? Somebody say, fa. I hear say, somebody say, he wants the ballot box. If they do anyhow, our eye don't see it. Because we want prosperity. We want our children to go to school and come back safe. We want healthcare centers. Poverty has to stop. How much is bread? How much is bread? Why people no go steal? Can your gate man afford 2,000 naira? I will crash the price of food in AMAC. My PhD is in environmental resource planning. AMAC is very dirty. Waste management will become, AMAC will become clean again. And I get correct, Papa. Now my Papa be this so, I don't get another one. Now my Papa be this so, make I hear you say. Now my Papa be this so, I don't get another one. Now my Papa be this so. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, I like it. Obi, Sorry, I jumped up. I just brother. I'll see that.
We have to continue this campaign.
Yeah, that is it.
Oga, enter
English language. My people, good morning. ADC.
Feel the flag. You know the reason who inside the flag.
our AMAC chairman. AMAC say Dr. Paul. AMAC say Dr. Mo.
Yes.
AMAC say Dr. Mo. AMAC say Dr. Mo. Who is that again? Please give him space. Give him space, please. He's here, he's here, he's here. Just calm down. Sit down.
Phone, bro, sir.
Oh,